Hello, my YouTube family. Today is day 6 of the vegetarian challenge, and I'm going to have scrambled eggs with salsa and cheese and a slice of toast with strawberry jelly. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with my eggs. All right, here's my olive oil. I'm just putting it in the pan. And I'm having 2 eggs this morning instead of 1 because the eggs are small. I don't like when they say that these are large eggs and they are actually small, but it's okay. So I'm going to wait for that to heat. I'm going to go ahead and prep my bread. And I'm having toast on Dave's Killer bread with 21 whole grains and seeds. And remember, always pour your egg mixture in your oil mixture. I'm sorry, in your oil. Be right back. I'm going to add some Trinity mix to this. This is onions, peppers, and celery. And usually I get this from Walmart. That's what it looks like. Like I said, I've always stated, it's always great to have your onions and peppers already cut up. I wasn't going to add anything extra to my eggs, but I figured, let's do that because I'm definitely not going to add any seasoning to them because of the salt intake that's already in the salsa. So I don't like that extra salt. I don't like salty food. So I still haven't prepped my bread yet because I was washing my dishes. So I'll be right back. I put Colby Jack cheese in the middle, as you can tell, and I think I'm going to put the Italian cheese on the outside. So let me go ahead and get my spatula and get this egg flipped. Just like this. Just slowly fold it over. Sometimes they cooperate, sometimes they don't. So sometimes I normally just hold the spatula like this until it gets to fold with the cheese. So be right back. Only difference in today with my bread, I'm going to spray the grill, but I'm actually going to butter my bread. I just love the taste of real butter, as I've stated before. So I'll just put a little couple pats like that all over my bread, and I'll show you before I put it on. You smear pats like this when your bread is very cold, straight out of the refrigerator. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it on George Foreman and place the lid down. This is the strawberry jelly that I'm using. I believe I picked this up from Aldi's. I love strawberry jelly over grape jelly. So I just spooned it out and I spread it with the back of a spoon. Just like so. And just the taste, like I just said, family, the taste of real butter on anything is just absolutely amazing. Not taking anything away from margarine because I used to be a margarine person, but you know, once the news say something is so bad for you, you tend to gravitate to what's supposed to be healthier. So I'm going to go ahead and get this sliced, get my egg out of the pan, and be right back. All right, family, here's the completed plate. This is the orange juice that I am drinking. This is through Save-A-Lot. I've never had their orange juice, and I was looking for Sunny Delight, which I do love. So they didn't have any, and I picked this up. So with that being said, if you like my content, this is day 6 of breakfast. That is my omelet topped with Italian cheeses and salsa on top with a side of mandarin orange slices and toast with jelly. So with that being said, family, I'll see you at lunch. All right, family, I'm back with lunch, and I'm just going to have a simple grilled cheese out of Dave's Killer Bread. I think I'm still only going to do one slice because these slices are large. This is my Italian cheese I'm going to use. Colby Jack, American sliced cheese, and I may add some Gouda cheese, but I'll be right back. All right, I kind of sliced my bread in half a little, and I'm going to put my cheese on like so. Then for the Italian cheese, like that. Then spike it up with some chia seeds. Keep the fiber regulated with all of this cheese. And lastly, Colby Jack. All right, there you have it, family. I'm going to close this. Attempt to close this. I had to put my hand in there to mash it down. Gotta be careful. There you have it. Be right back when it's done. All right, family, my sandwich is done. Oh, family, just look at the cheese. Ooh-wee. Look at that cheese. So this is what I am having for lunch. And my sliced mandarin oranges with a side of watermelon and some applesauce, strawberry applesauce. So with that being said, and water to drink. With that being said, I hope you're having a great day thus far, and stay tuned for dinner. Hi family, welcome back to dinner. I have an array of things. I am still on the challenge. I know you see some meat there, but this is for the family and a friend that I'm cooking for. So with that being said, the family has been very supportive. Sorry, I couldn't think. And so today they are asking for meat. So I'm not having any. I'm having the rest of my zucchini and squash and possibly broccoli and cauliflower. I'm thinking about doing a carrot souffle, but I'm not sure yet. But I'm definitely doing some corn on the cob. I'm definitely doing some cheese grits, and I'm going to maybe bake them. So you've seen me cook grits, so I got that started. And I always start out with cheddar cheese, and I think I'm going to do some smoked Gouda cheese for the topping, blend it with Colby Jack. So as the cooking goes along, I will show you and tell you what's going on. But let me go ahead and get the grits started and my corn started, and I'll be back. All right, family, I'm back, and here is my carnation milk. I'm going to do things differently this time. I'm going to try to use mostly milk. Well, actually, it'll be about half and half. So I'm going to go ahead and pour half of that in there. And I'm going to put my butter in there and some sugar. Okay, as you see, here is the corn. I have 3 pieces in there because the last ear was quite large and thick. So I broke it in half. So that's what it's looking like. Here is the amount of sugar that I'm using. It is not quite 1/4 of a cup. So I'm going to sprinkle that in there like so. And here's a tablespoon of butter. And I just drop it inside. All right, family. Last minute things. I did some biscuits to go along with their food. So family, you can either do biscuits and gravy, biscuits just with butter, and these are not homemade biscuits, these are canned biscuits. You can do biscuits and honey, biscuits and syrup, biscuits and jelly. Choices are endless, but this is something else I just did. All right, family, look at this. Look at this. Yes, look at that cheese. Yes, yes, yes. Yep, family will love it because they like cheese just like I do. So let me go ahead and get the plates done. All right, family, feast your eyes on this beauty right here. This is one of the plates that I was making. All right, family, I'm back with my stir-fry vegetables. I'm gonna just cook them up really fast and mix it with some salsa, and that's gonna be that because I've already boiled my corn, and that's what I was waiting for. So be right back. All right, family, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of Badea Complete garlic powder, but Badea Complete Season is coming next, you better believe it. Just like that. All right, family, here's the finished results of my dinner. I have my stir-fried vegetables and my corn is rolling. Okay, my vegetables and my baked beans with my corn on the cob. So this will complete day 7's dinner. With that being said, stay tuned for tomorrow. If you like this content, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification to where you'll never miss another one of my videos. And with that being said, family, take care, be blessed, and be safe.